What's up guys, I'm Strykar, and in this video I'm going to show you this New Year's Eve makeup look I came up with for this year. I hope you really enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. I'm starting with my rose mist to moisturize my face, and then I'm taking my eye primer and I'm going to apply this on my eyes and just rub this in. I'm using the shade Rollin' and Dough from my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm going to pat this all over both lids. Next, with the shade Decadent, I'm going in with a small pencil brush, and I'm just going to start to draw on my crease and sort of outline my whole eye in a shape that I eventually want to fill in. Same thing on the other side, I'm just drawing that pointy shape of what I'm going to eventually want to fill in. I decided I wanted to darken up my creases, so I'm just hitting that same shape over one more time with the shade Decadent. And next I'm blending in Cocoa Truffle on top and on the outside of the black. As you can see, this palette is just super pigmented. I mean, if you look at this brown and how the black showed up, I mean, they're just super gorgeous colors. And this is actually my second time ever using this palette. The first time I used it, I recorded a video which is on my channel already, so if you want to go watch that, I'll have it here above for you to go watch. But that was the first time me ever using it, and seriously, the colors are so beautiful. They're all so pigmented. So this is a really nice palette that I would recommend. After Cocoa Truffle is thoroughly blended through both creases, I'm going to start to blend it downwards from the corner of my eye. And now with a small, clean pencil brush, I dipped it with just a little bit of Rollin' Dough on it, and I'm blending out the edges. Now back to the shade Decadent, I'm going in over top of my crease to really darken it up. Using this black shade became a layering process, but that's okay with me. I just sped it up so it didn't take as long to show you guys. But I did spend a lot of time really layering this black to get the shade and the color that I really wanted. After I get all that black layer to finally the shade and the tone that I want on my eyes, I'm taking Hard Candy Pro Conceal and I'm going to start to cut my crease. Unfortunately, this part got pretty blurry and I know you kind of can't tell what I'm doing, but I just drew a line of where I want to cut my crease, and then I'm going to blend that concealer down my lid. Obviously, same thing on the other side, just drawing that crease, and I'm going to blend it down. And after that, with the same flat brush, I'm taking e.l.f. setting powder and I'm gonna apply that to both eyes. I'm taking the shade New Money, which is this pretty vibrant, purpley, pink, kind of metallic shade. I absolutely love it, and it's super, super pigmented, so I only needed a little bit on my brush. And I'm gonna just take this and blend it from the inner part of my tear duct down the middle of my eye. With the shade Live in Lavish on a big fluffy brush, I'm going to pat this in down from the corner of my eye into that pink. And this is going to create that metallic kind of change to the matte black. It's super, super pretty once it's finished. And you might not be able to tell, but this purple has just a little bit of red and silver shimmer in it. And I absolutely love how that shade blended with the pink. I'm bringing back the shade Decadent just a few more times to really darken up my eye. And I'm being cautious, but I'm dragging it all the way down to my tear duct and then on the corner of my eye as well. And this is to really make sure that purple and black are blended nicely. To clean up my crease, I'm using a really small lip brush and applying Decadent super thinly on that line of my crease, and I'm blending it upwards. And to finally clean up the edges, I'm taking a plain, clean brush and just blending everything out. I'm blending the shade Decadent out from the corner of my eye down my lash line. I'm using setting spray to wetten up my eyeliner brush, and I'm going to line my lash line with the shade Live in Lavish. Now I'm taking Urban Decay eyeliner 24/7 something rather, I don't know, I'm lining my top lash line. And this is one of my favorite eyeliners that glides on so smoothly. Then I'm applying my eyelashes as usual because I cannot complete a glam look without some falsies, especially a New Year's Eve glam. So yeah, I'm applying these and I'm using my handy dandy eyelash tool. You definitely need to get one if you have any trouble applying your lashes. Obviously apply some mascara as well to my bottom lashes to darken those up and lengthen them. I'm applying some mascara to my top lashes as well, right where my false lashes don't quite make it to. This set was just a little bit shorter, so, but I mean, it really doesn't even matter because my regular lashes are pretty long. So I'm just gonna, hefty those up with some mascara, and I'm using They're Real by Benefit. It's also one of my favorites. And before I did my lashes, I did my makeup off camera so that whenever I applied my eyeshadow right here, it would go on easier, So I'm applying Drippin' Diamonds right now, and it is so beautiful, so pigmented. It was exactly what I was going for. So I'm dragging this down from my tear duct just a little bit through my lash line. And because this was so pretty, it was just the perfect New Year's Eve color, I applied it in just some other highlight spots, which gave my face a monochromatic glow. I really love how this look turned out, and I hope you guys did too. If you did, be sure to let me know, hit the like button before you leave, maybe comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and Happy New Year!